Alright, it's Saturday. I don't have any charters today, so taking the fam to Falling Water State Park. Go check it out. Everybody's ready to rock and roll. They got their headphones on. And they don't want to talk to us. Oh, she can still hear me though. So, alright, let's see how this is. We've never been. Sounds pretty cool. We're looking forward to it. Hopefully we'll get into the springs. I brought my underwater stuff and my snorkels and fins and all that good stuff, and there's Anastasia. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, Falling Water State Park. This is a cool place. It's a short walk. I don't know if you can see, but the parking area is right there. Short walk from parking. And you come right down. The boardwalk's awesome. Mostly concrete. Come right straight down to the waterfall. I mean, it's like one you see in the Carolinas or something. It's pretty cool. Alright, that's pretty wild. It goes down into the abyss.
Come on, hold on. Wait, they're taking pictures.
I mean, I can't even tell you. I had no idea. This is in Florida. So it's a Florida waterfall. Who would have thought? I mean, this thing goes way down. I don't know where it goes. Alright, let's see if I can find something. See how deep it is. Alright, so it's Florida's highest waterfall. And it says it falls 73 feet. Which is pretty wild. And it definitely goes way down there. There's all kinds of huge sinkholes all over here. I mean, everything's just like big giant sinkholes. Gotta be 30 feet deep or so. 40 minutes, I don't know, that's way deep. Hang on, I'm coming. This one's like swallowed up a tree. They go way down. Pretty wild. Man, that's pretty wild. 70-something foot waterfall in Florida. I don't know what that thing is. But we're at the Joyce Carter Memorial Butterfly Garden, and there's a butterfly or a moth, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so there's a little swimming area here. Actually, I'm gonna film this real fast because Barb would freak out if she saw this. We'll just show her on the way back up. Be aware of bears. They're like giant raccoons. But if Barb saw this, she'd freak out. She's not a big fan of bears. park was awesome. Something you should definitely see. That waterfall is killer. The lake's pretty cool. It was chilly, but it felt good after walking in the heat. And it's not that far from Tallahassee, about an hour from Tallahassee. Straight shots right off of I-10. And that place is huge. You can camp out here. There's all kinds of little grilling areas and everything. So definitely recommend. All right, till the next one. See ya.
Ooh, baby, baby, baby.